Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to close your Western Union account? Here's a quick guide to help you delete your account step by step. First of all, open your web browser. Go to westernunion.com and log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is where you manage your account details. To request account deletion, click on Contact Us or the Help Center. Western Union doesn't offer a direct delete option, so you will need to contact customer support. You can reach out to their support team via email, live chat, or by calling their customer service number. Explain that you want to close your account and provide any requested verification details. Submit your request and wait for confirmation. Western Union may take a few days to process your account deletion. And that's it. Your Western Union account deletion request is submitted, and the support team will handle the rest. Thanks for watching.